Alright, we got our head here, and we've drilled our holes for our horns. So our horns are going to go in here, and we'll mount them. Horns will get mounted last, so they're out of the way while we're working on everything else. So you can see how we cut down inside here, so this will fit down in here. We'll sand this down later, so we get more of a blend. But then we'll drill a hole in the back here, and we'll screw it and glue it in. The screw will keep it in there. The glue will keep it from rotating on you if it ever loosens up. So those are ready. And the holes are in here. So we'll mount this last after we get done with the other stuff we got to do. We have to work on the mouth yet and get the mouth hooked up. So that's what we're going to move to next. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.